Hi guys, I am back. Alam mo na wala. Pero, I'm just taking a video. I think I will upload this in YT. in YT, but not, hindi ko siya i-edit. But, nahulog yung mic ko. Pero, I'm going to talk about the college life. Like guys, I'm scared as a fuck. Guys, kasi ilang days na lang, ilang sleep na lang is college. I mean, mag-start na yung classes, and next week we have an orientation na. May orientation na sa kami next week. So, I'm freaking scared kasi meron ako mga nakikita sa FB group na FEU, FB page na nalipat sila ng school. I don't know kasi if FEU is a good school. However, I just choose it kasi nga kung wala na akong other options. Ganon. So, I don't know, I'm scared and hindi ko alam kung bang kakayanin ko yung medtech na course kasi nga parang hindi naman ako sure doon sa course na pinili ko. As in, hindi ako 100% sure, pero I love science and I love lab. So, I guess, yung other choice ko is IT. Dapat mag-enroll ako ng IT, pero nga, nagpa-recon ako for medtech. So, I chose medtech. I don't know, parang hindi pa nag-i-start yung class. Parang gusto ko na mag-shift. Parang, ewan, feeling ko ang hirap. Feeling ko mahirapan ako. Kasi nga, ewan na yung ewan ko, ang daming napasok sa isip ko na feeling ko hindi ko siya makakaya. First, hindi ko siya makakaya. Second, I don't know if I have motivation to anong tawag doon? Basta, di ko alam kung meron ba akong motivation, pero parang no choice naman ako dahil hindi nagpapaasa sa akin, kawawa. Guys, yung mga tuition ko like 86%. 86%. 2 sem sa 100, 169, 168. So guys, hindi na biro at pag-aaral na to. Tapos, I'm scared din kasi nga it's a big opportunity. It's a big step for me to my comfort zone. Kung UST pa yan, sige, kung hindi ako matatakot. Pero kasi, I'm scared as a fuck. Like, 100%. I don't know kung bang right ba yung pagpili ko sa course. And so, God, help me, God. God, please guide me through my journey, through my first sem journey, and my first year, second year, third year. God, help me, please. And sana lang, I will meet friends that will help me through, not by myself, but through my academic journey, that will motivates me, ganyan, that will be a good friend to me. So, yun lang, as of now, meron akong meron akong nakakamdaman katakot, ano pa ba? Ano ba yan? Doubt? Ano ba ibig sabihin? Bakit? Takot, doubt, hindi alam, hindi sure, saya, sa course na pinili. Balak na mag-shift. I think mahirapan magsasuffer and all. So, but I hope medtech or FEU will treat me better and give me more opportunities and chances that I will learn in the future, that will give me opportunities in the future. So yeah. So please help me.